Hello guys, I just finished opening two other mice. They're both from Razer. If you haven't seen those, go check them out right now. This is the most expensive one that I got for a whopping $130. The esteemed Logitech G Pro Wireless. Very popular FPS mouse. Coming in at 80 grams with a 25K hero sensor from Logitech. It's a 16.8 million color RGB light sync, all that good stuff. Obviously there's wireless. The battery goes to around 48 hours with its lighting on, and without its lighting around 60 hours. This plugs in at the front, or you can also use the PowerPlay mouse pad, which automatically charges the mouse. So now let's open this up. And there it is. Alright, before I take a good look at that, let's see what else is in this box. As you can see, we appear to have, let's see, what is this? You have the USB for the mouse, as well as some extra side buttons things. I'm not quite sure what this is. You also have the plug for the mouse, and that seems to be about it. Probably a manual in here. That is great. So now let's get to the mouse. This mouse is beautiful, but there's something we need to do. Here's the bottom of the mouse. This, again, is 80 grams. Very great build quality, very great shape. I love the feel of this. It glides buttery smooth. Again, a very well-known gaming mouse in the eSports community. Here's a sound test. Now, all there is one more thing we must do, and that is to plug it in. That means we need to open this up to do that. Yep, of course, there is a manual in here. As well as, of course, a Logitech G sticker, along with the other products that I've opened here before. The mouse is currently charging, unfortunately. So we'll have to see what this looks like somewhere else. But this has been the Logitech G Pro Wireless. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.